Hello, this is the Watchdog, and welcome back to Fun with Watches. If watches weren't fun, you'd only need one. Today we have a triple unboxing for you. I ordered way too many watches, and I need to unbox these so I can tell AliExpress I got them. I am so far behind in reviews. I need to really catch up with my reviews. Let's start out with the wrist check. I'm wearing a Corjo 3022 Amish and Omega Speedmaster, and I have it on a Bond NATO. And Grogu is wearing my Movement Classic Black Link. Grogu asked Han Solo if Princess Leia was a Disney princess now that Star Wars is owned by Disney. He said, "Can a Disney princess force choke the neighbor's cat for pooping in her geraniums?" Alright, we have 3 packages, all from AliExpress. Once again, even though I'm way behind the reviews, I need to get these unboxed so I can tell AliExpress I got them. So let's start with the least first. This one obviously doesn't come with a box unless it's one of those ultra affordable watches. I don't know why I get these watches. I don't get a lot of views when I do. But once again, I'm not doing this for the views. I'm doing this for my own personal enjoyment. Alright, so we have a digital watch. What's the brand? Samoa. Okay, it's a Samoa fashion watch. And as you can see, this is kind of a G-Shock like watch. And I can tell you one thing, it seems to be a lot better built than that Kubus I reviewed a couple weeks ago. So this is definitely a step above the Kubus. In fact, I'm pretty pleased with the build quality. Of course, it's only got 30 meters of water resistance, so that would be the first ding. Alright, let's go ahead and throw it on the wrist to see what it looks like. There's really nothing to unwrap. Here it is on my 7.5 inch wrist. It has a negative display in hands. Let's take a look at the light. The light's good. Once again, if it wasn't for the crappy water resistance, I would say this is a very well built watch. Once again, worlds ahead of that Kubus I reviewed. Okay, let's do the Berny next. You know it's a Berny because they put Berny on the package. Berny, witness your legend. And here it is. These Bernys have fully automatic movements, and they're in the $40 range. They seem to be pretty popular on AliExpress right now, so I figured I'd review one. And I can actually try out my time grapher. It would figure that as soon as I get my time grapher, then I get this huge flood of quartz watches. Okay, the plastic's off. Go ahead and wind her up. This does not have a screw down crown. Here it is on my 7.5 inch wrist. Wow, this is a really nice looking watch. The strap's pretty good quality too. You can tell that's some nice leather. Alright, let's do the next watch. All right, let's open up the third box. And here we go. It's a Specht and Sohne. And here it is. A Specht and Sohne homage to Tag Heuer Monaco. This is the first Monaco homage I've had on my channel because it's the first one I've ever found that wasn't a fake and an actual homage. All the other ones I've ever found on AliExpress actually say Tag Heuer on them, but this one does not. So let's go ahead and take the plastic off the back. Man, it's a heavy watch. Pretty sturdy. Got a nice strap. So let's go ahead and throw it on the wrist. It looks like it has a deployment clasp too. And here's the watch on my 7.5-inch wrist. Looks nice. Took me a while to figure out how to use the deployment clasp, but now that I got it figured out, it's nice. This must have a VK64 in it, because it doesn't appear to have a running second hand. But as you can see, it's got the smooth sweep of a mecha quartz. So yeah, VK64. Instant snapback. Well, thank you for watching this unboxing video, and I will be back with reviews on all three of these watches as soon as I catch up with all my other reviews. Bye.